Hello, good morning. Today is 16th of April, so Wednesday. I am starting from my hotel around 10 o'clock, so I am already running like 1 hour late. So today I want to cover San Jose, and Fremont, and San Francisco downtown. First priority to cover San Francisco city by using Muni and metro, cable car, tram, buses, and everything. Then, if I have time, I will go to Fremont or San Jose. So, this is my plan for today. I didn't have my breakfast. I had only two donuts from 7-Eleven. So, I am leaving my hotel now, around 10 a.m. So, I go to Powell Street or Union Square, and then I will take a metro or money to explore San Francisco city. So, yesterday I have taken up and up of bus. So today I will take metro and Muni buses and trams. I am walking towards Powell Street. Powell Street. So from there I take metro Muni. So I had enough of BART because I have made several trips in BART train, but today I want to experience different kinds of public transport like metro, Muni, trams in San Francisco downtown, and trolley buses. So, and also I can take cable car because I want to buy a passport. It's called passport for one day. It is $16. So with $16 I can entire day I can use it, and I can also use it in cable car. Cable car one way is $8, so I can use it in cable car. So you can see Waymo. So Waymo are everywhere in San Francisco city. So they are good, but they are expensive compared to Uber, and very, very expensive compared to public transport. So just for once or twice for experience we can take Waymo, but not always. Going towards Union Square. Before that I will try to take breakfast. I will try to have breakfast. This is Kensington Park Hotel, very big. This is JW Marriott, excellent. Heart of downtown San Francisco. Oh, I can walk. Pedestrian signal. So you can see it in 5 seconds I have to cross. After it will show hand symbol. Then now I should not cross. Kensington Park Hotel, the Inn at Union Square. All these hotels are very, very expensive. We can't afford. You can see Salesforce Tower, the tallest tower in San Francisco city. So Morton's, the Steakhouse, is a restaurant. Today I am taking a different route. So this is always confusing with every building or everything everywhere looks similar. So all are squares. So if you take a different road and it is a different route, if you take a different road and it's square, so we end up in a different route. So always better to use Google navigation, Google directions. Otherwise we are definitely going to miss it. See, now I directly came to Union Square from a different route. This is Union Square in the morning. Oh, I came entirely different route. This is a cable car. is Union Square. The big bus is ready, but I don't have pass for today, and I don't want to take it. I've already taken 4 times in 2 days, so it takes at least 2 hours for from this point to this point. So because it covers 16 stops and it goes very slow, so it comes with a commentary in English pre-recorded, so it is very convenient. So today I have different plans. You can see the bus, the big bus and Waymo. 2 things to try in San Francisco when we are in San Francisco. So big bus and Waymo. I'm going to have this breakfast in this Pinecrest Diner. So they said the best breakfast in San Francisco, open 24 hours. So let me try. What can I have? If it is expensive, I will just come out. I have ordered hash browns. It is $6, and toast, white bread toast. It is $3.50, but tax is extra, and also water. So this is. I am sitting here on a excellent bench like a pub. So I am sitting one of the bench like this. So I am sitting like this. I am sitting like as if I am in a pub and drinking beer, but I am having breakfast. So these are the seats. You can see this is hash brown and bread. Very quick service. Not even it took 5 minutes for them. So this looks like inside. Good. So I had breakfast and going towards Powell Street. So to take passport, that is Muni and Metro Pass. So breakfast is like $10.50. Hash brown is just potato, and then toast. Toast is very thin, but something to eat. So we can't get idli dosa here. This is downtown San Francisco. So I am going towards Powell Street bus stop for first stop after Union Square for hop on hop off is Hilton. So this is close to Powell Street. It's only 200 meters. So we can also get into this bus, big bus, on this at this stop. So no need to go to Union Square. So this is Hilton Hotel. Excellent Hilton. So bus stop is just in front of Hilton. You can see the board, big bus tours, bus stop. So it's good. Today weather is bit okay compared to day before yesterday. This is very famous Powell Street. So I am going to take passport here in Powell Street. So you can see straight. So there are people standing, queuing there. So there I have to take passport, the ticket, pass, which is valid till midnight. Passport. It is 1 day pass for cable car, metro, buses, trolley buses. So after taking the pass, you have to scratch month. I have scratched April, and today's date is 16th. So you have to scratch it before entering the station, taking the bus, metro, and then we have to show to the ticket agent, gate agent. So because we can't put this in automatic gate. I am entering to Powell Street to explore San Francisco city. Then if I have time, I will explore Fremont and San Jose. So this is my plan for today. This is Powell Street. It's heart of downtown San Francisco. So from here, everything is nearby. Powell Street. So these are the ticket gates. So but I have to take metro. You can see Muni, JKMN. I don't know to take part now. So this is Muni, JKMN, metro entrance. So then I will see where I have to go first, and then you can see JKLMN. So eastbound and westbound. I will check which bound I have to go to this station using these right side gates. So it's a manual ticket. So I always show. So then I will take any train because any direction is westbound or eastbound doesn't matter to me. So you can see westbound to Balboa Park, SF Zoo, Ocean Beach, right side is Embarcadero. So I will see which train comes first and then I will take it. See the westbound map, going to Ocean Beach. So Mobile Civic Center,